Social events and traditions can cause a lot of stress for anyone who chooses to be different. While events like Christmas can give us an opportunity to connect more closely with those we love, the pressure to eat and drink certain things and buy gifts for others can cause a lot of tension. When people become vegan, they often begin to question these norms, which can offend loved ones and lead to arguments. And if we're not good at communicating with others about veganism, we can face challenges of being offered or given non-vegan foods and products. So how can we overcome these obstacles? During Christmas events between friends, colleagues or family, vegans are faced with the challenge of being misunderstood and viewed as angry and fussy. In reality, many vegans do want to enjoy these events, but lack the communication skills to help people around them understand. If we're hungry because of a lack of vegan options, we can't fully enjoy the music, games and conversations that take place. So it's important to communicate with others and take responsibility for having vegan foods available that satisfy us. Sometimes others will be willing to help, but if not, make an effort to bring your own food and bring some to share with others. If we create a happy environment within ourselves, we'll avoid unnecessary tension and help others understand veganism more. And if people around make negative comments, we'll be in a better headspace to inspire and explain, instead of arguing. If we're faced with a situation where we're given non-vegan food or cosmetics, it's important to explain that we can't accept and consume products that go against our morals. Accepting and then throwing away or giving away these gifts shows people that veganism isn't important enough to us for them to take seriously, so they'll continue giving us non-vegan products in the future, which will cause a lot of unnecessary awkwardness and waste. If the goal of a gift is to share love and make the receiver happy, then communicating to others in a calm, respectful way helps people do this more easily. And it can give us an opportunity to show others all the vegan products that are available now. If we're challenged and mocked for being different, rather than entering into defensive arguments, focus on the positives and try your best to be happy without needing others' approval. Questions and comments can lead to inspiring conversations and opportunities to educate on things that most people don't understand. So rather than being angry and resentful, be grateful and embody the values of love and connection that Christmas should be about. Veganism is beautiful, but the world is full of traditions and habits that carelessly cause harm. So if we have a positive attitude to remind people that we don't need to use animals to have fun, then the world will become a more beautiful place to live in. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoy the Christmas period, and I'll see you again in the next video.